If you've ever created your save view like this when you wanted this, then you need to watch what I'm going to do next. Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. So yesterday in my user group we covered layers and classes, when to use design layers and when to use classes. And saved views of course came up. So one of the things that came up was the redefining of saved views. So you created a saved view like this, but it's not what you want. Now you could go here and choose edit, but there is another way to do it, and that is to find a view that you liked, like this one here. So right click, redefine. Yes, I want view 1 to look like this from now on. Yes, these are all my options. Click OK. And now when you double click on framing view, go back to view 1, it's now redefined in the way that you want. It's so quick. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps other people to find my videos. If you're not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a movie. Now, if you'd like to see the extended version of this movie, the one that's from the webinar where I covered all the information about design layers and classes, then please become a member. You'll get access to see early movies. You can see the webinar movies. You can also attend the webinars if you want. Thanks very much for watching.